Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to tear down or disassemble the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro mobile phone for repairs. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the teardown, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and rear cover. Next, insert a plastic card pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and remove the mid-frame by undoing 16 screws from the top and bottom sections. And then, using a plastic card pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around on the edges to disengage the plastic clips. While you are taking out the frame, be gentle. The Fingerprint Flex is attached to the mid-frame. Disconnect the flex cable to release the mid-frame from the body, and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, on the frame, take out the fingerprint cable using a tweezer. Next, disconnect and take out the front camera on the top center, and then take out 4 rear cameras by the top left in the logic board. Next, disconnect the main ribbon top end by moving the heat shield adhesive, and then pull out the logic board by disconnecting the antenna. Next, move to the bottom part and disconnect the main flex cable and lift the loudspeaker buzzer. And then lift the secondary board including the charger port and a headphone jack by disconnecting the antenna head and the LCD connector plug. Next, pull out the vibrator motor and earpiece sensor on top by applying little heat. Be gentle and slowly pull out the parts. Next, apply the heat to take out the power and volume button flex cable. Next, take out the battery by loosening the adhesive. First, loosen the adhesive on both sides and then pull it by the tab. Be gentle and lift the battery. And finally, move the battery protective tape to the left hand side and peel the main flex cable. Hope you have enjoyed the teardown guide for repairs on Redmi Note 10 Pro mobile phone. Stay tuned for the disassembly process. Let us know if you have any questions and please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.